Hi guys, I went to Wing Yip today and I bought a whole duck. When you buy the duck, they can cut it up for you or you can have it whole, and it's given to you in this box with some soy sauce inside. It's £22. So this is a Peking duck. And you can see the neck at the back. I went to Wing Yip to buy a little gift for my children's friends at school. I got this in each bag. It's a Chopstick Helper. This is more for infants, but because the children I'm buying this for are not Asian, so they can use it. And supersized straws, which children can use for anything, drinking and just making stuff over the summer holiday. Today's the last day of school, and this, I've been seeing it every time I go to Wing Yip, so I actually thought it was a huge lollipop, and that's what I mainly went to buy, but it's actually 15 lollipops inside, so this is what made me get other things. But I'm sure they'll still like it. So when they've taken the lollipop out, they still have this case, so that's good as well. Yeah, so the video is mainly about this Peking duck. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with this. Knowing me, I am just going to take a knife and help myself. I love duck. I did some posts recently about a duck I roasted. Okay, it's from Wing Yip again, and that's it though. Wing Yip. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good summer.